Nitish Kumar to be sworn in for a record 10th time today, and who will be sworn in along with him? So let's take a look at what Nitish 10.0 cabinet government is going to look like from the BJP. If we talk about their quota, you have already this was confirmed yesterday. Samrat Chaudhary, Khushwah, the caste is Khushwah, Vijay Sinha. Now both these leaders are expected to be the deputy chief ministers, like the last time. Nitin Naveen also expected. One woman so far, Renu Devi, she belongs to the extremely backward caste. Remember that in government formations, all these castes, has to be kept in mind, the sort of formulas and the various, desires of the castes really in the state. So you have to have that balance there. Mangal Pandey, one Brahmin there. Neeraj Bablu, Sanjay Sarawagi is also going to be sworn in. He belongs to the Vaishya caste. Hari Sahani as well, and there you can see Santosh Suman, he is Dalit, and Rajneesh Kumar, caste Bhumihar. So these are the different castes that are going to be sworn in today, and there's Snehalata Khushwaha, who is also belongs to the Khushwaha caste. So this is as far as the BJP is concerned. And if we talk about from the JDU, then Vijay Chaudhary, Shravan Kumar, Ashok Chaudhary, all to be sworn in today. You have Jama Khan, one Muslim in that cabinet, Ratnesh Sada, and there you have Raju Tiwari, who's a Brahmin, and Leshi Singh, Bijender Yadav, Sham Rajak, Sunil Kumar, and Damodar Rawat, all expected to be sworn in today along with Nitish Kumar.